Hey everybody! Today we are going to make some nature paint brushes. We've done this a lot in the classroom, so you should be very familiar with it. I'll show you some of the nature finds that I choose and we'll make a painting together. So come on and make some nature paint brushes with me. So for supplies, I have this piece of cardboard. I'm just going to use this as my palette for my paint, so somewhere to put my paint. I have a piece of paper for us to paint on. I have paints here and some clothespins, and we're going to use these to clip onto our nature finds to turn them into paintbrushes. Optional, I have a pair of scissors if you're looking for nature finds that have more of a woody stem. It can be hard to kind of pull those off, so you can cut them with some scissors. And then lastly, we need our nature finds, so come on and find some plants to paint with me. Okay, I'm going to clip this one from back here, like that. And then I'm going to take some of this maple, maybe just right here. Let's go see what else we can find. This one. Some of this ivy. All right, let's go make our paintbrushes. All right, so first I am just going to attach some of these clothespins to my plants, and I can cut them down a little bit. And I'm not going to use all the whole of what we found, so like this one here, I'm going to snip off these. I'm not going to use those parts, but I will take my clothespin and pin it on like that. Let's see, I like this one the most here. And then for this one, I just want one nice long stem. So I'm just going to peel these back. And I'll use this one. Like so. I think I'll cut this off a little bit. Make it easier. Like that. Alright, so we have our paint brushes. Now I'm just going to put some paint on here. And I'm going to spread it out because our paintbrushes are a little bit bigger than your regular paintbrush. Move that to the side. It's a little windy today, so I'm going to prop my paper down with my paints. And I'm just going to start painting. So I can choose whatever paintbrush I want for whatever color I like. Let's see. And you can either do impressions of your leaves, like that, or you can use it as you would any other paintbrush and see what kind of pattern they make. So I'm seeing what kind of shape this makes. And then you can always drag it along too, and then it mixes some of your other colors together as well. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one down and kind of press it just a little bit, and I get some nice leaf shapes. But it's kind of fun just to kind of see what shapes they make. How they mix with other colors. So this is the painting that I made. We would love to see what nature finds you turn into paintbrushes and the paintings that you make from them. So be sure and share your paintings and your nature paintbrushes with us. All right, everybody, thanks. Bye. We miss you.